unlocking the power of local citations for explosive business growth. Are you ready to dive headfirst into the exhilarating world of local SEO? Brace yourself, because today we're about to unravel the fascinating universe of local citations. So, what exactly is a local citation? A local citation is essentially any online shout-out that includes vital information about your business, such as its name, address, phone number, NAP, and some juicy extras like operating hours and website links. Well, think of it as the golden ticket to boosting your business's online presence. But why should you care about local citations? Let me tell you. They're the secret sauce to elevating your business's visibility in the vast online landscape. They're like breadcrumbs that potential customers follow to discover your services and products. Imagine them as the treasure map leading your audience to your doorstep. But wait, there's more. Local citations are not just confined to business directories like Yelp. They can pop up in various forms, even on social media profiles. These mentions not only boost your online presence, but also serve as glowing testimonials, building trust and social proof among potential customers. So you're probably wondering, how do I get in on this local citation action? Fear not, my friend, for it's simpler than you think. Start by jotting down your business's vital information: name, address, phone number, category, website, opening hours, and a captivating company description. Having this info on hand will make your life a breeze as you embark on creating your business listings across various local directories. Next up, it's time to spread the word. List your business on the most popular and relevant directories and websites in your industry. Make sure your competitors aren't hogging all the spotlight. Join the party and let your business shine. But remember, the magic doesn't stop there. Managing your local citations effectively is crucial. Consistency is the name of the game. Inaccurate or inconsistent information can throw potential customers off track and even harm your SEO efforts. Here's a little pro tip. Leverage the power of local citation software tools. They can be your trusty sidekicks in this grand adventure. These tools help you manage your citations like a pro, enhancing your local search visibility effortlessly. Now, let's talk about the love affair between local citations and SEO. Citations are more than just a pretty face. They're like a badge of honor for your business in the eyes of search engines. They vouch for your existence, legitimacy, and trustworthiness. But hold on, don't get too carried away. While citations are important, they might not be the only thing on Google's radar. They're essential, but not the sole ranking signal. However, their relevance can shift over time. Last but not least, local citations aren't just for search engines. They're for people too. These little gems help folks discover your business online. So make sure you get citations from credible sources where people naturally expect to find you. In conclusion, mastering the art of local citations involves understanding their significance, creating them with precision, and maintaining unwavering consistency and accuracy. By harnessing these techniques, your business will not only gain improved visibility, but also soar up the ranks on local search results. Ready to delve deeper into the world of NAP citations and their impact on local SEO rankings? Let an expert manage your local citations. Bruce Jones SEO. Visit https://brucejonesSEO.com for a free consultation or a free website audit. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to JovieSocial for more videos like this to elevate your digital marketing strategy and business to new heights.